If you're looking to get dental procedures done, one of the most frequent procedures patients are required to undergo is a filling. A filling can be used to fix teeth that have been injured by decay or a cavity. There are many different kinds of dental fillings that are available that each have their distinct advantages and disadvantages. In this clip, we'll go over the different kinds of dental fillings as well as aspects to take into consideration to select the most suitable one for your needs. 1. Amalgam fillings. Amalgam fillings, also referred to as silver fillings, are employed for over a century and continue to be a top selection for patients. The fillings comprise the combination of various metals like mercury, silver, and copper. The amalgam fillings are sturdy as well as durable and economical and are a great choice for replacing dental backs that are subject to the pressure of a great deal of biting. The only downside of amalgam fillings is the silver hue, which could appear in your mouth. Patients may also be concerned concerning the mercury in amalgam fillings. However, according to it is the case that American Dental Association has stated that mercury found present in fillings is safe to use by dentists. 2. Composite fillings. Composite fillings are a common alternative for patients looking for more natural-looking options to fill in their dental cavity. The fillings comprise the combination of glass and plastic to match the hue of your tooth. The composite fillings can be used in a variety of ways because they can be utilized either on the front or back tooth. They can also be fixed directly to the tooth, which allows for more gentle dental preparation. A benefit that composite fillings have is that they look attractive since they blend to the natural tooth. They do not last as long as amalgam fillings and might have to be replaced more often. Additionally, they are more costly over amalgam fillings since they require more expertise and time to put in. 3. Ceramic fillings. Fillings made of ceramic, often referred to as omlais and inlays, consist of ceramic or porcelain material that can be made to fit the hue of your tooth. The fillings are usually employed for bigger cavities and for patients with reactions to metal. Ceramic fillings are strong, long-lasting, and resistant to staining. Ceramic fillings have a number of advantages. One benefit is their natural-looking appearance since they can be made to blend into the rest of your teeth. Ceramic fillings, however, are more costly in comparison to other kinds of fillings. They may also require a number of visits to the dentist in order to get placing. 4. Gold fillings. Gold fillings, sometimes referred to as gold inlays or omlais, are a common alternative that has been employed throughout the years for dental work. The fillings comprise the combination of copper, gold, along with other metals. They are well known for their toughness and long-lasting properties. Gold fillings can be considered biocompatible, that is to say they're well tolerated by the body and do not cause allergic reactions. A benefit of using gold fillings is their durability, because they are able to last for at least 20 years or longer with good care. Gold fillings, however, can be the most costly option and might not be the best choice because of aesthetics since they're very noticeable in the mouth. 5. Glass ionomer fillings. Glass ionomer dental fillings are the type of filling for teeth that release fluoride to prevent more tooth decay. They are the combination of glass videos made from acrylic, which are often used for young children or to fill tiny cavities that adults suffer from. Fillings made of glass are very easy to apply because they bind to your tooth and do not require drilling. One benefit of glass ionomer fillings is the ability they have to release fluoride. This can assist in the prevention of future cavities. However, these types of fillings do not last as long in comparison to other kinds of fillings and might have to be replaced regularly. They're also more prone to staining and wear with the course of. There are many different kinds of dental fillings that are available that each have their particular benefits and drawbacks. In deciding on a type of filling, it is essential to think about factors such as where the cavity is located and the cosmetic concerns, costs, and quality for the material. Talking with your dentist will aid you in making an informed decision about which type of filling is best that will meet your particular demands.